See how friendly it is, no entry. Morning. Morning. Yes, we're going to be famous today. Hi, I'm Pat. I volunteer in the archive in the British Motoring Museum. The archive is a treasure trove, and it's a constant challenge to conserve, consolidate, preserve, and generally take care of all the little treasures that we have. And we've got stuff from the early 1900s through to what I'm working on at the moment, the Honda archive, which is very modern. So this came to us recently from Honda, and I'm gradually working my way through it. The great thing about this is most of what you see in here is somewhere between 1910 and 1980, and in various conditions. This lot is immaculate and digital, which is grand. So the usual routine is get this set up and then adjourn for the traditional coffee and bacon sandwich before starting work. Part of the Honda archive, for their 20-year anniversary, they put together an open day for the press and for local dignitaries. And as part of that exercise, as well as doing factory tours, they produced a series of DVDs showing all the processes across all three plants. And I've picked out a couple of those which just show how modern factory works. A robot line that's doing the welding, assembling a body, and that's entirely automated, as you can see. And the engine building line, which in stark contrast to the sort of thing you see in the 1940s, it's still guys with spanners bolting things to engine blocks and shoving gearboxes in, but in a very clean, almost clinical modern factory. So we're down to about 1,000 lines now on this, and we're about halfway through this archive. So that's it, done for another day, nearly through this box, shouldn't take more than another month, and home.